Congratulations, class of 2021. You made it. I mean, with all the craziness of the pandemic, you were able to achieve that which you put your heart to do. As a graduate myself, 2013-2014 set, medical doctor with an MPH degree from the University of South Wales. I understand the next phase might be scary. You might think that, oh, you know what, can I do what I want to do? I just want to let you know that do not give up. Keep pressing on, keep pushing.
No matter what your dream is, no matter what your goal is, just don't give up on it. There is always a way. Reach out, ask for help, and just keep going. Good luck.
Hello from Great Point Studios. I know it doesn't really look like it right now, but I'm not actually allowed to show you anything that we're about to do on the project we're about to film for Netflix. Just wanted to say a huge congrats to all of you for graduating, the class of 2021. I know the last year and a half has been unexpected, to say the least, but I'm sure that if you've had the perseverance and the strength to kind of get through the last 18 months, then you will absolutely succeed in any obstacles that life may throw your way.
Congratulations, class of 2021. What a fantastic achievement you have all made this year. Keep strong, keep your heads up, and remember, go and do what others won't do, so that tomorrow you can achieve that others can't. Best wishes, congratulations, and you've done it.
Congratulations on graduating in these exceptionally difficult times. I take my hat off to you. Studying for my own MPhil in writing wasn't easy, combined with work and single parenthood, but it's one of the best things I've ever done, and I was so proud when I graduated. I hope that you take your pride in your achievement into the future to fuel your path.
Captain Sir Norman Lloyd Edwards said to me, "Thank you not for what you've done, but for what you're going to do." So get out there, change the world, have fun doing it. Jock and Barry Young. Thank you very much. Good luck all. Enjoy your careers. Well done.